Well, this is fourth gear at just above idle. Seems to be running real good. Can't complain at all. I think my oil pressure gauge is a little faulty. I noticed when I was putting everything back together that the connection on the back that runs into the back of the gauge is, well, it wobbles. So I don't think it's showing the correct oil pressure. But it does spike. Anything above about where it's at now. So as far as throttle. I also noticed that I must have cracked the water temperature gauge when I was putting everything back together. I must have hit it with a ratchet or something while putting things together. So that's a downer, but I'll just have to replace those gauges and go from there. But I'll crack the throttle here so you guys can kind of see what we got for. Seems to be real good. Transmission's not making much noise. It's just that typical growl or whine. I'll idle it down all the way here to a crawl. You guys can see just how good it runs at an idle here. I might as well get a little mud on the tires just for fun. Probably been a number of years since it's had mud on the tires. So let's go ahead and put it in fifth gear here. Video going. I do have to put new brake bands in this thing though. I can tell that they're very worn.